Xiaomi has just introduced its new stars. We are talking about Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro. With these devices, the manufacturer is verging on perfection. Let me tell you about their specifications. Both models debut the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and have versions of up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Storage starts from 256 gigabytes, but there are versions up to 1 terabyte. They are also debuting the Hyper OS operating system, which is the lightest operating system in the industry today, weighing even less than iOS. Among other things, it has a generative artificial intelligence feature that is going to learn your face in the photos you take on a daily basis, so it can generate photos of you around the world as if you were traveling. What more fake thing are we looking at? The front camera in both cases is 32 megapixels and all three cameras are 50 megapixels, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto. This telephoto is about 3.2x optical zoom. The difference is that the base model has f1.6 aperture on its main camera, while the Pro model has variable aperture from f1.4 to f4.0. And the most novel thing is that it has 1024 adjustment points, so we are no longer talking about step-by-step adjustment, but very precise adjustment. Remember that these cameras were developed in collaboration with Leica. In both cases, we have AMOLED displays with LTPO technology from 1 to 120 Hz. The base model is 6.36 inches in size and the Pro 6.73. In both cases, we see Ip68 certification, stereo speakers, and in-display fingerprint reader. By the way, this display is spectacular because in addition to having super slim bezels, it has a peak brightness of 3000 nits, the brightest screen in the industry. The battery of the base model is 4610 milliamps and the Pro 4880. They support 90 and 120 watts charging respectively and 50 watts wireless charging. There is no doubt that they will be two of the most attractive devices of this year. For the moment, they have been presented in China, but their global launch is expected soon. The base model starts at 3,999 yuan. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. The Pro model starts from 4,999 yuan. Again, you see the reference price in other currencies on your screen. There is no doubt that these devices have caught my attention. They're just bordering on perfection. We'll have to wait and see if HyperOS is really going to be very efficient, because if it is, we're looking at possibly the best devices.